Hare Krishna. Today, the common expression between the sloka and the joke is interested in working. It can be two ways, interested, not interested, depending on the occasion. In the sloka, we are going to see, but in the joke before that, one day they were in the office, Keshav, the MD, and Manta, his peon. They were having the dog also there. Somehow that dog came to him along with Keshav. And Keshav said, just go outside and see whether it's raining. Manta was not interested in doing all such work. He was in a mood of relaxing. So he said, no need, sir. We'll send the dog, and when it comes back, if it is wet, it will mean that it is raining. That is a way of avoiding even that small work of going out. Today's sloka is chapter 5, sloka 25.
लभन्ते ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं ऋषयः क्षीणकल्मषाः छिन्नद्वैधायतात्मानः सर्वभूतहिते रताः.
Krishna says in this sloka, the person who is not bothered about the dualities like sukham, dukkham, winning, losing, profit, loss, he is not bothered about that. And he is beyond doubts, all doubts. He has no doubt whatsoever in religion or Krishna or his duty. Such a man, he is engaged within himself. Always he is busy working for the other people, welfare of the others. He is freed from all sins and he achieves liberation in the end. Now, practically speaking, Krishna has given so many routes to be free from all sins and reach him in the end. However, as a finality, in the 18th chapter, 66th sloka, Krishna says, leave all these methods. See, first he has told elaborately, and then he says, leave all these methods. Just surrender to me, that's all. I will take care. So, when we have known that ultimate instruction, why should go through the full story again? So simply follow it now. Just leaving all our worries, all our actions to him is real surrender. Let us do that. Now, before finishing, the gem of a point about Krishna. Krishna is the ultimate truth. Whatever he says is absolute truth. As he always says, he has no benefit nor loss if we follow his instructions or not. It is for our benefit. Say, we have got the ocean of Amrit in front of us, this Gita. It is for us to take as much as we want from that ocean, the nectar, or leave it. That is our choice. Hare Krishna.